Do you know 22% of the babies younger than 6 months often fall from the bed or from some similar furnitures? And now that she has specially started moving around, one of my biggest nightmare was that my daughter should not fall down from the bed. I discovered KidStation bed rail, and I was impressed with their meticulous design, specially focused on the child safety and usability. The bed rails comes in 3 different sizes and colors to fit almost any size of the parent's bed, ensuring the ideal fit for your needs. KidStation bed rail is the only bed rail featuring an anti-suffocation cloth placed on the top of the mattress for added security. This makes it impossible for Anaya to hurt her fingers or toes by getting stuck between the mattress and the bed rail. It uses high quality, wear-resistant and non-toxic premium fabric with a soft, breathable see-through mesh cover that helps you monitor your baby's activities and is easy to remove and wash also. The rods are foam covered for added safety, making it perfect to avoid any kind of injury that Anaya can experience. And of course, with Anaya, there are a lot of essentials that I have to carry, be it her bottle or all her toys. This big pocket gives me enough space to keep all her essentials. With 28 height adjustment, this bed rail fits even 11-inch mattresses, unlike others with just 5 settings. And you know what? I can even fit into the hotel mattresses, which goes up to 11 inches. The bed rail is super user-friendly, featuring a button to lower one or both sides for easy access to Anaya. It's simple for me to operate, but secure enough to prevent Anaya from falling. Thanks to the detachable height adjuster, I can easily change the bed sheet without removing the bed rail. For full protection, connect all the 4 sides with this connecting rod. KidStation is the only one which offers this rod, which gives ultimate safety for Anaya. And last, but not the least, to buy this amazing product, first measure the size of your mattress to ensure the perfect fit for your bed rail. Simply select the color, size and the style required and proceed forward with getting the ultimate product for your baby's safety from KidStation, which is carefully thought and designed keeping in mind the everyday challenges faced by a new parent.